to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today we're looking at the Ferrari Collection Magazine number 15. This is the Ferrari 360 Spider. So what we'll do is we'll take a look at the car at the end, but I'm going to have a quick read through the magazine with you. If you just show you what you get in this magazine. So in this particular one, we're looking at the 375 America, the 360 Modena Spider from 2001, which is what our model is based on, and the last Racing Berlinetta 365 GTB/4 Group 4. There's that one here, isn't it? There is also a poster for this one. There's a poster in all of these. Like I've said in previous magazines, I don't take the posters out, so we'll actually have a look at that. I don't have the wall space for it. All right, luxury export. At the 1953 Paris Salon, Ferrari unveiled the concept model designed from the United States market. Pininfarina went on to build 9 produced 375 America coupes that were almost identical to the prototype, while Viginal crafted a further 3 examples. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that correctly, but let's have a look. Very nice. I think we actually have a model of that, and I've said it in the previously that if they've talked about it in these magazines, there is actually a model coming on this. So further on, I'll have to have a look. So this has a front-mounted longitudinal 60-degree V12, 4.5 to 2.94 cc, so 4.5 litre, with a maximum speed of between 232 and 250 kilometers per hour. Which is 144 to 155 mile an hour. All right, having a look at the 2001 360 that we have the model for. This is the Ferrari introduced a new convertible intended to broaden the concept of the modern sports coupe. The 360 Modena Spider was initially hailed as a success, with a 400 brake horsepower engine swiftly projecting it into a supercar elite. It's a very nice car. High performance roadster. Yep, very good looking. The model itself, I actually think that the Ferrari models have done very well with the production of these. Here's our poster. Ferrari 360 Modena Spider. We have a concept drawing by the looks of it. There we go. I'm not sure if that's going to come into the full shot. Very nice. Blue's nice. Red, obviously, is your very traditional Ferrari colour. The cockpit of the 360 exuded a grand elegance, an effort that is not always easy to achieve when the goal is to ensure maximum functionality combined with a perfect fit for drivers whose size and build can vary considerably from one individual to another. Yeah, production models had leather seats. So I'm guessing race version? Why would there be a race version convertible? I don't know about that, but okay. Very nice. So engine is a 90-degree V8, 3.596 cc, so 3.6 litre V8. 400 brake horsepower at 8,500 RPM, 6-speed transmission, and top speed of over 290 kilometers an hour, 180 mile an hour. Period of production, 2001 to present, so they're still making them. Nice. Numbers produced, not known. Well, maybe not known by the magazine, so. The last Racing Berlinetta, I think I do have one of these models in the collection. These obviously have finished. These are finished many years ago. I'm not even sure you can get them anymore, this magazine collection. If you do want to read that, hit pause, have a look. Like I said, I'm not going to read the whole lot. These had a 60-degree V12 front mounted, 450 brake horsepower at 7,500 RPM. Maximum speed unknown. Numbers produced. 5 Series 3, 15 competition cars in total. Wow, made only in 1973. All right, next magazine is part 16, is the F333 SP. Very nice model. It is in red from memory. All right, I'll take a look at the car and this one in more detail. Do have a little bit of a spot from sitting around. It happens. I think this one with the engine detail like that, let's see if I can get that on camera. Well, so much detail on this, so much detail. And the interior, you got your silver, you got your, actually the floor is a different color to the other leather. There's silver edging down on the floor from the doors. The doors don't open, unfortunately. We do have a stereo with some sort of decal or the likes on it. Silver on the mirror. The dash has gauges. Pedals are silver. There's even a silver plate on the bottom of the passenger footwell. Okay, disc brakes. Yeah, stuck to the wheels. So this one's not quite as good as some of the other previous cars. Like some of the supercars I've got a disc brake in there with a coloured caliper. But on this one, we do have the Ferrari emblem on the wheel. The disc brakes are, okay, that one's not stuck. But the rear one seems to be stuck and goes around with the wheel. Front one does not. Underneath, 143, made in China, Ferrari 360 Spider. That's it. Or Ferrari badge on the front. I think these are really well done. I'm very happy I got these. Like I said, I don't believe you can get them anymore in subscription, but I do think you can still buy the occasional, both online and I have found some at local stores. People selling off parts of their collection. I'm going to put that on the turntable. You can take a look. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all the rest. Trying to get myself up to 1,000 subscribers so I can actually pay back for some of these magazine collections I've actually got. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.